Here we divide 159 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down this number 9. So it became 19 and 2 times 9 means 18. On subtracting we got 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal so that we take 0 and 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 159 divided by 2 we got 79.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.